Hi guys, so in this video we will be focusing upon a very important topic basically nowadays which most queries, which most students are confused with, that is, shall I focus on college admission or shall I start with my actual preparation. So many students are confused that can I manage both. So this video is basically for all the students who are struggling with college preparation, although they want to start with actual and are confused whether to start it now or not. So if you are waiting for your college admission process to get over, you are making the same mistake as multiple students make every year, because it's not just a one-day process, it is a 2 to 3 months procedure. So if you wait for everything to be finalized, you will actually lose valuable preparation time. See, in July you have college applications, you need to fill your preference. By August you will get counselings, you will be busy in documents verification, and by September your college actually begins. So you lose time till September if you don't start straight away. So a question that comes in mind is, should I start actuarial after September or in July? So you should start straight away. Your July should be college admission plus 1 to 2 hours of actuarial daily. ताकि by September you have already covered major portion, because college admission it doesn't require say regular attention of yours. You need to fill forms, you need to wait for the cutoffs, you need to check the portals, you need to upload documents, but at the same time free hours are available on daily basis. So even if you manage 60 to 90 minutes on a daily basis, it's more than sufficient. Say you are not able to give time in afternoon because of your formality process, completely fine, give 1 hour on morning, give 30 to 45 minutes in evening. So if you start straight away, you will build consistency, you will finish your basics before your college becomes hectic, and you can avoid all the last minute stress. Now common excuses that we hear from students is that I don't know which college shall I get. Do you think I need to start? Definitely it doesn't matter, because actuarial exams will be same irrespective of your college. I will start after admission. You will not start after admission, because then you will have new friends, you will be busy in orientation, you will be busy in society registrations, you will be busy in your freshers. So in order to achieve success in your actuarial journey, you have to start straight away instead of waiting for your entire admission process to be over. At least plan your actuarial subjects, at least plan ki whether you need to give exams from II or from IFOI. So you must be aware that there are two bodies from where you can plan your actual exam. So if you need to plan from II, you need to give their entrance exam, which is actuarial common entrance test. If you plan exams from IFI, you can directly give CS1, CM1 as a non-member, or if you want to take membership, then you can add on CB1 or CB2 as well. So if you feel that you are your actuarial material, you are completely sure that yes, I want to do actuarial, then we will not recommend you waiting for your process to go. As I said, your July should be college admissions, plus at the same time you should give 60 to 90 minutes daily on your actuarial subjects. So start straight away with your main actuarial exam preparation. You can start with CS1 and CB2 as of now, and depending on how many hours you can give on a daily basis, you can add on CM1 if you feel so. Another option is that if you feel that you are in a dilemma that I may be an actuarial material, I may want to go for actuarial, I may not go for actuarial, let me give actuarial common entrance test, then you can start with actuarial common entrance test preparation as well, and in that you can start with CS1. So you can start with ACET plus CS1 if you are planning II, and if you can start with CS1 and CB2 if you are planning from IFOI. Why am I adding CS1 to ACET? So that you are not wasting only on your entrance exam preparation, you are adding statistics paper that helps you in ACET, plus I will add on to your main exam as well. So point is to take action straight away instead of waiting for the entire admission process to be over, because you will not find time after September. As I said, you will be busy in multiple things after September, you will lose this attempt, and by the time you will realize, say in December, January, you will lose your attempt of upcoming April or May 2027. So the first attempt that is due is September 2026. So at this point of time, we will not recommend September 2026 if you cannot give 2 to 2.5 hours on daily basis. There is one video of mine where I have explained roadmap for IFOI September 2026. So if you feel you can give those number of hours, pick for September. But if you feel that okay, I might not be giving in September, but you at the same time you should not be feeling like this ki I will take admission in September or I will start in October, because then you will be busy in all your college commitments. College college will become hectic. You need to start straight away so that at least your all the basics are clear before you actually start with your college. So this is extremely important, and this is actually lays your roadmap for all college students. Still, in case you feel that you need a personalized study plan or you need a personalized schedule, you can comment on this video roadmap and our team will get back to you with a personalized study plan for considering your personal situations and circumstances. So thank you, stay tuned for more updates and videos coming to your way. Happy learning.